Hey guys, Kelly here with PlantX. And today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite recipes, healthy breakfast cookies. These cookies are completely plant-based, meaning that they contain no dairy, and they're also gluten-free, so they contain no flour. So step one is we're gonna mash 2 ripe bananas, and they're a good replacement for eggs, butter, or any sort of oil. Once we've got our bananas mushed into a paste, we're gonna go ahead and add in the rest of our wet ingredients. So now that we've added in all of our wet ingredients, we're gonna go ahead and add in veggies. Yes, we're putting vegetables into our cookies. Next, we're gonna add in our dry ingredients. And then this is optional, but we're gonna do 1/4 of a cup of chocolate chips. So these are vegan chocolate chips. And now we're ready to just mix it all together. We just wanna make sure that we incorporate all the ingredients. And if it ends up being a little too wet, simply just add a little bit more flax or oats into the mixture. Once our batter is all mixed in, we're gonna go ahead and put it on our parchment paper. So we just wanna roll the dough into small balls. And it's okay to put your cookies really close together because these aren't really gonna spread. So once we've got our cookie sheet all ready to go with our cookies, we're gonna put it in the oven for 15 to 18 minutes. And then if I want them a little bit crispier, I'll just leave them in for a few additional moments. So we're gonna go ahead and let these cookies cool. And then you wanna store them in an airtight container. So they'll last between 2 to 3 days on the counter, about a week in the fridge, or 2 months in the freezer. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I can't wait to see you guys again next week. Stay healthy.